What's going on, guys? Just me here. Just got done picking up some new wheels for the S4 and had to play a little Tetris getting them in. I thought it was gonna be kind of easy because we got tons of room in this thing, but it wasn't. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how I got them in. Alright, here goes.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
So here they are, guys. They are the EXO luxury anthems that I got them from Steel. I just need a little TLC, you know, little cleanup, and they'll do just fine. One of them did have a little bit of rubbing. I can't see where it is. Oh, here it is. Just pretty bad, but still holds there, you know. I still run them. I'm still gonna send them. And these ones, yeah, these are way too fucking low profile for my space. So I'll probably sell these. Try to get something a little bit sportier. So yeah. Hope you guys like it. I'll be putting it on pretty soon. But right now there's too much fucking snow. Alright. See you guys later. Pretty much got two sets of wheels. Not wheels, fucking tires.